This is Lorraine in corrupt Kentucky. We're having a thunderstorm, tornado warning, and I've been up until, I guess it's around 5 a.m. I was just going to get into bed, slide in, and the criminals placed this triangular piece of glass. It looks like it was chipped from one of my vases at the foot of my bed under the covers. These criminals come into my house. They're living on my property. I can go from one building to the next, and by the time I get back to my house, the cameras have been wiped clean, there's no footage, and somebody's been in and out of my house. And the sheriff, Paul Hayes, the county prosecutor, do nothing because they are complicit criminals in violation of the color of law. This was under my covers, at the foot where my feet would be. This did not get there, did not walk there by itself. It was placed there intentionally. And this symbol, this triangular shape, I have photos of triangular glass all over my property. This is something these Illuminati Freemason morons, the cult of Freemasonry, this is what they do. These are these sick, pathetic losers. It's also a psychological operation, a psyop. And sometimes they want you to think that one group is doing it when somebody else is. But it doesn't matter. It's being done. And I am never going to shut up about it. And I will be posting this online. Signing off, Lorraine in corrupt Kentucky, Jackson County.